don't know if this radio still works, but I got it, and I wanted to see if it's functional and if it's working good, to make a technical review and share with you guys, because many of my subscribers, they contacted me. These buttons were very thick and rusty on both sides, so I cleaned it and bit some spray. And this is the volume control. Now it's free. It was totally stuck, and it was you can see it was rusty, so I just clean it, and now it's moving fine. The loose connector behind when the power was coming was a dry connector, so I revised them also. And I tested with the multimeter. It doesn't see any sign of short circuiting, so I think we are safe to turn it on. Okay, the dial light is on. That's a good sign. And here we go.
לקבל אווירותרפיה ייחודית, התרזה יעניק לחות מיוחדת למי שהגיע הן לטיפול טויין. לאחר מכן, המים המינרליים תורמים להקלה ואף לריפוי של אסתמה. מבחינה זו, אתר הנופש ומטרצות גבורה מדורג במקום...
The speakers are making excellent sound. So somehow we gave a new life to this Philips radio from 1962. I think in this state it will be also working for so many years.